Ushering reforms in pre-service teacher education. Teacher education to gradually be moved into multidisciplinary colleges and universities by 2030. Introduction of 4-year integrated B.Ed as a dual major holistic bachelor's degree to be offered in multidisciplinary institutions by 2030. Introduction of 2-year B.Ed program for students with bachelor degree in a specialized subject. 1-year B.Ed for candidates with 4-year undergraduate degree in a specialized subject or a post-graduation in school subject. Multidisciplinary HEIs having accreditation for ODL to offer high-quality B.Ed programs in blended ODL mode. B.Ed to include training in recent techniques of pedagogy, use of technology, etc. Shorter post-B.Ed courses for more specialized area of teaching. Special shorter local teacher education programs to be available at BITs, DIETs or at school complexes to promote local professions, knowledge and skills. For subject teaching for Divyang children, specializations to be offered during or after pre-service teacher preparation. Recognizing deserving candidates in teaching profession to ensure outstanding students enter the teaching profession, especially from rural areas. Merit-based scholarships to be instituted for students studying in 4-year integrated B.Ed program. Common entrance test at national level for admission to all education institutions. Subject and aptitude tests conducted by NTA to be standardized, keeping in view the linguistic and cultural diversity of the country. Providing quality teachers, ensuring their stability. Sharing of teachers across schools could be considered to ensure adequate availability of teachers. Teachers' classroom demonstration to be an integral part of TET and NTA test scores. TET to be strengthened to inculcate better test material. A test-based comprehensive teacher requirement planning to assess expected subject-wise teacher vacancies over the next 2 decades. Teacher transfers to be conducted online to ensure transparency and to prevent excessive transfers. Development of national curriculum for teacher education. NCTE in consultation with NCERT to formulate National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education NCFTE by 2021. The NCFTE to be revised once every 5 to 10 years by reflecting changes in revised NCFs as well as emerging needs in teacher education. Improving working conditions for teachers. Ensuring decent service conditions of teachers at schools. Rationalization of schools without reducing accessibility for effective school governance. Resource sharing and community building. Not engaging teachers any longer in work that is not directly related to teaching. Emphasis on continuous professional development of teachers. Continuous opportunities for self-improvement to be offered in multiple modes such as workshops, online teacher training development modules, etc. Each teacher to participate in at least 50 hours of CPT opportunities every year for their own professional development. School principals to participate in 50 hours or more CPT modules per year covering leadership and management. Systemic reform for teacher education. The regulatory system to be empowered to take stringent action against substandard teacher education institutions, TEIs. All standalone TEIs to be converted into multidisciplinary institutions by 2030 to offer 4-year integrated teacher preparation program. All multidisciplinary universities and colleges will aim to establish education departments and also run B.Ed programs. Admission to pre-service teacher preparation programs to be through suitable subject and aptitude tests conducted by NTA. All fresh PhD entrants to take additional credit-based teaching, education, pedagogy, writing-related courses and to have a minimum number of hours of actual teaching experience. Use of technology platforms like Swayam, Diksha for training of teachers to be encouraged. A national mission for mentoring to be established with outstanding senior retired faculty to provide short and long-term mentoring to university college teachers. Recognition and awards to teachers for outstanding work. Robust merit-based structure of tenure, promotion and salary structure to be developed. Career growth within a single school stage not to be subjected to career progression related incentive to move from early to later stages or vice versa. Promotions and increases in salary to be based on appraisal and not on the length of tenure or seniority. Assessment of performance of teachers to be based on peer reviews, attendance, commitment, hours of CPD and other forms of service.